this video, you have already downloaded and installed the Signal Culture apps on your Mac desktop. Now we're going to create a folder in our applications folder called Signal Culture, and we're going to put all of the apps in there, and then we can clear all this stuff off the desktop. So I'm going to, over here in my applications folder, I'm going to create a new folder, Signal Culture. I'll double click on it to open it. And then one by one, I'm going to open these folders. And then I can copy and paste this file into the Signal Culture folder. So I'm going over here under Edit. And then I'm selecting Signal Culture. And I'm pasting the item in. And you need to do that with all 11 of the applications. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and really quickly do that. So I'm going to move the input application amplifier over. I'm going to double click on frame buffer. I'm going to select this, edit, copy, edit, paste item. These are all MaxMSP patches that were created in a software program that authors software. So, you know, they are not recognized by Apple Signal Culture as a developer, but they are like official apps that you can create and use on your computer risk-free. There are shortcuts for copying and pasting. Feel free to use them. I'm doing this because it's a visual way for you to see exactly how I'm doing it. Pixel Mesh is the most recent of the applications. That one came out this summer. And just a fun fact, Input Amplifier and SC Siphon Recorder are free software tools that you can use, that you can download through Signal Culture's website. So if you want to invest in these apps in the future, you can always purchase them through Signal Culture's website. You can get the one that you use to get started, the input amplifier, and the one that you use to record for free, and then you just need to pay for whatever's in between. They bundle a bunch of apps together also for $90, which is pretty great because you don't have to renew that membership every year. It's a lifetime membership. And part of the values of Signal Culture is that they want to create these apps. They want to create community around them. So they have like Facebook group and stuff like that around these apps and their residency program. And a lot of these apps emulate tools that are available in the residency that are, you know, physical synthesizers. Okay, now we have all these transferred, and we can just go ahead and select these apps here and we can eject them. We've already recorded them or copied them over into our applications folder, and you'll see these are the full file sizes of the apps here. So for the ones on the desktop, we can select eject. So we don't need to save those. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is get started with opening the apps. Because Signal Culture apps are not recognized by Apple as a developer, we are going to run into like a menu or a message that tells us, warns us about the app. So we have a repeat step to do to get them opened, but they will work. They are risk-free for you to use. So I'm going to start with the input amplifier. I'm going to go to the menu here, File, and Open. I could also do that by right-clicking on the application. And here it says, Input Amplifier Mat cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Just click Cancel and try to open it one more time. Okay, now I'm going to go a different way. So I'm going to select this app. I'm going to right-click with my mouse. That could also be Control-click and Open. And this time I should be able to open the app. It's going to ask me if it can use my desktop. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to click this Max Console away. The other one that I'm going to open is SC Video Mixer. And again, I can go over here and open here. It's going to tell me that it cannot be opened. Don't move it to the trash. Don't worry about that. Click Cancel. Okay. Now I'm going to right click, open, and then it says open. Okay, so I can go ahead and open it. Even if I right click the first time, it's not going to open. You're going to have to go through open twice, no matter which path you take to do it. Or you could use option click, same thing. So this time I'm going to use option click. I'm going to open the SC Siphon Recorder. So I'm pressing the option button down while I'm selecting the Siphon Recorder with right clicking. I'm opening and it says that I can't do it. And then I'm going over here, Applications, Signal Culture, Siphon Recorder. Oh, it's Control-click, so that was my fault. We're going to do it again. Open, and then click Open. Okay, so just to repeat that, if you want to open an app, you can right-click with your computer mouse in order to get to the menu that lets you open it, or you can press the button for Control and then also click on the app at the same time. So I'm going to just show you again. Let's choose a different one. Let's choose S-Scan. I'm going to, my finger is on the Control button. I'm pressing that down, and then I'm just clicking on SS-Scan and I click Open. It does for the very first time you ever use the app, you're going to get this message. It should not happen once you've used it a few times. So I'm going to Control click again and click Open. And now it lets me open it. Okay, so I don't need S-Scan open, so I'm going to go ahead and quit S-Scan right now. But just to go over it one more time, I've got the Maelstrom app. So now, this time I'm going to use my right click, and that opens this menu. Here it says, because it's the very first time I'm opening it, that I cannot open it. So I'm going to click again with right click and open, and then it should give me this option to open. And this has nothing to do with Signal Culture. This is everything to do with Apple and how they're trying to protect your computer from malware and things that you don't really want installed. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get started with these 3 software tools. I will be right back to show you that in a separate video.